One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. What I got here for you today is a 1966 Glasteron. It's a 14-footer, I believe. It's got a Johnson Meteor motor on it. This thing runs like a rape tape. It's just a great little boat. Started up every time we tried to start it up. Vladimir wants to keep it, and honestly,
I could go.
He wants to do a backflip off of it. But whatever, we're selling it. I can't keep it. Can't be keeping it. Hooks up to a bulb and everything. It's got a nice newer jack on it. Little winch to bring the boat in. The fiberglass is in great condition. They bumped something right there, you could tell. And it's just a little, that trim could be, yeah, put back on a little bit. And besides that, just a couple little nicks and stuff. Still got a pretty good seal on it, kind of spider web in there a little bit. It's in great shape. And down here on the hull, I want to make sure I'm showing you the whole aspect of it. A little bump there or something. And Glasteron Aqua-Jet, Aqua-Lift. Glasteron Aqua-Lift. Looks like a Corvette thing, man. You can get a picture of that. And the motor I've showed underneath, I'll clip that in right here. Got a little step. Prop is in good shape. A couple little things on it, but it's not big old chipped and broke. They got this homemade thing on here. Keep rocks away from it or what have you. I can't be keeping this, but I gotta sell it. I wish I'd keep it. Wish I had time to go do stuff like that.
No,
but
Dad,
I don't.
You could buy a different car and you could sell it,
okay.
but not this.
Alright. So, a little light and everything. It starts right up. It's got this cool console in it. I really dig the middle console.
The keys have an ice cream.
Yeah, the keys float. And I'm going to go ahead and fire it right up, man. Right now. Okay, well, that's it. A little bit of, it's going to be shined up. We didn't shine up or nothing. A little bit of lamination or whatever in the windshield there.
In the front there's a green light.
There's some dust on it for just sitting out here. There's a green light and a red light. Green light is chipped. And yeah, that's your boat. Ain't a lot to talk about. Ain't a lot to write home about. It's been taken care of really dang well. You got to figure this thing's 34, 44, 54, 59 years old. It's a pretty old boat, but runs like a champ. So that's the deal. Thanks for watching. Nathan, 406-546-8748. It's got good rubber on it and everything. And just call me anytime. I'll put it on my website with probably about 20-25 pictures of it. You can check that out there. oneownercarguy.com. And that is your boat. That's your 66 Glasteron. Got titles for both the boat and the trailer. You say what? Bye bye bye. Okay. Okay, the choke button on it's broke and you got to kind of pry it forward a little bit. But once you pry it forward, you can just flip it with your finger just fine.
It's choked. That's not choked. And then you just put it right back in
fully
place.
Functional.
Yeah,
we're going to go ahead and fire it up here real quick. Got the cover off. We're not going to run it very long. Runs great. We're gonna get the cover on it and do the rest of this video, and we'll just kind of pop that in there somewhere. All right, here we are, a different time of night here. Get you some in the evening to where you can see how it looks at the darker time. Really good shape, and this motor, it runs really good. Electromatic, a Johnson Meteor. It's a pretty big motor too. I think it's 100, yeah. It says 100 on it. So, a golden meteor. All right, well, that's that. I'm gonna hop up in it to where you can see the shape of the interior a little bit better too. And I'll get in there now. I noticed that the tack does not come on when it's running. And I only think there's 150 hours on it. It could be 50. I can't tell if that's a 0 in front or what it is actually. Ain't a lot of use on this boat though. That's for sure. It's just set around. In the back here, you got a little bit of a hole here to access different things, I believe. And you can cut up fish right here. That's her. So there we go, 1966 Glasteron Ultra Lift? What is that thing? Aero-Lift. It's an Aero-Lift. Yeah. Looks like a Corvette. Well, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. We'll talk to you. What are you gonna do?
You're gonna drive this boat when we get to a beach and
Where are you going? You gotta talk to the camera.
and when we get in the water, when we get to a deep